Hey there, everyone. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to quickly make a payment or transfer funds but didn't have access to your computer? It's a common dilemma, right? Well, today we're diving into a question that many of you have been asking. Does OnPay have a mobile app? Before we get to the answer, let's take a quick look at why having a mobile app is so important in today's digital age. Think about it. Our phones have become our constant companions. We use them for everything from checking our emails to ordering food. So, it makes sense that we'd want our financial tools to be accessible on the go as well. Answering the question. Now, let's get to the point. Yes, OnPay does have a mobile app. It's designed to make your financial transactions as seamless and convenient as possible. Whether you're looking to send money to friends and family, pay bills, or manage your finances, the OnPay app has you covered. Key features of the OnPay mobile app. Easy-to-use interface. Navigating the app is a breeze. The user interface is intuitive and designed with simplicity in mind. Secure transactions. OnPay prioritizes the security of your financial information. The app uses state-of-the-art encryption to protect your data. Bill payments. Pay your bills directly from your phone. You can even set up recurring payments for added convenience. Money transfers. Send money to friends, family, or businesses instantly. You can transfer funds domestically or internationally. Account management. Keep track of your transactions, view your account balance, and manage your finances on the go. Additional benefits. Notifications. Stay informed about your transactions and account activity with real-time notifications. Touch ID/Face ID. Use biometric authentication for added security. Offline access. In case you don't have an internet connection, the app allows you to access certain features offline. User testimonials. To give you a better idea of what real users think about the OnPay mobile app, let's hear from a few satisfied customers. Testimonial 1. I love how easy it is to send money to my family overseas using the OnPay app. It's so convenient and reliable. Testimonial 2. The bill payment feature has saved me so much time. I can pay all my bills in one place without having to leave my house. Testimonial 3. The app's security features give me peace of mind. I know my money is safe. So, there you have it. OnPay does indeed have a mobile app, and it's packed with features that can make your financial life easier. Whether you're a busy professional or simply want to have more control over your finances, the OnPay app is worth checking out. If you haven't already, download the OnPay mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Give it a try and see for yourself why it's a must-have for anyone who wants to manage their finances on the go. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about OnPay or its mobile app, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy banking.